Hello my friends, I am Sri Arjun. Today's topic is Transcendental Consciousness and Observer Effect. The transcendental field of consciousness is the field of infinite possibilities. Here everything remains as waves of possibilities, and until and unless you are observing it, it will never be actualized. But you are observing from the level of your gross mind. Therefore nothing is happening. But when you transcend your gross mind and comes to the level of transcendental field of consciousness and observe with some specific intention, then the waves of possibilities will be actualized in your material reality. This is the physics. In our Transcendental Consciousness workshop, we just take your mind to the level of Transcendental Consciousness. For our forthcoming seminars and workshops, you can text me or call me. My number and the links of my blog and other social handles given below in the description. Namaste.